Okay, let's talk about something that could literally save you hundreds of dollars on Coursera. If you've ever eyed one of those awesome specialized certifications, but the price tag made you wince, you're going to want to stick around. Let's get right into it.
So, picture this. You find the perfect course, you're all fired up to learn, and then you see the price. Ugh, it's a total buzzkill, right? For so many of us, that cost is a huge roadblock that stops us from getting the skills we actually need. But what if it didn't have to be?
That's right, 100%. It is actually possible to get a full 100% discount through Coursera's financial aid. Not half off, not 90% off, but completely, totally free. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to do it.
Now, a lot of you probably already know that Coursera offers financial aid, which is fantastic. But here's the thing. There's a specific trick, a really small but crucial detail in how you apply that makes all the difference between getting a partial discount and getting the whole thing for free.
You might be thinking, the secret is writing the perfect essay or having some special kind of background. Nope. It's not some complicated loophole you have to find. Actually, it's much, much simpler than that.
Here it is, the key to the whole thing. The platform you use to apply is the single most important factor. It's what decides whether you get a partial discount or that full 100%.
And this is the secret sauce, the main event. It all comes down to the critical difference between applying on the Coursera website versus applying through their mobile app. This one simple choice changes everything.
I mean, just look at this. It's a night and day difference. If you apply for financial aid using a web browser on your computer, you can get a discount of up to 90%, which, hey, that's still pretty good. But if you fill out the exact same application using the official Coursera mobile app, boom, a 100% discount. That is the entire trick.
So, knowing the secret is one thing, but how do you actually do it? Let's walk through this simple 5-step process right now to make sure you lock in that full discount.
First things first, and this is the most important step, download and open the Coursera mobile app. Don't even think about using the website. Once you're in the app, find the course or specialization you're excited about. On the course page, just look for that financial aid link. Next up, you just fill out the application. Be honest and clear about your situation and what you hope to achieve. Then, once you hit submit, you just have to wait. From what we've seen, you'll typically get an email with their decision in a couple of weeks. Okay, so this mobile app method is the golden ticket right now. But you know how tech works. Things can always change in a future update. So it's always smart to have a little backup plan in your back pocket, a pro tip, just in case. Let's just imagine for a second that Coursera pushes an update and this 100% discount option just vanishes from the app. Are you out of luck? Not necessarily. This is where something called an APK comes into play.
So what the heck is an APK? It's pretty simple, really. It's just the installation file for an Android app. Think of it like a .exe file on a Windows computer. It lets you bypass the App Store and install a very specific version of an app, including older ones.
So, if that 100% option ever goes away, you could find an older version of the Coursera app from before the change. You'd search for it on a reputable APK website, download it, and install it. Now, a huge word of caution here, this can be risky. You must be absolutely positive that you're downloading from a trusted, well-known source to avoid any malware. So please be careful if you ever go this route.
All right, let's bring this all home. We've gone over the problem, the secret, the step-by-step process, and even a backup plan. But if you remember only one thing from this whole explainer, please make it this. The most important point is this. Always use the mobile app when you apply for financial aid. Forget the web browser even exists for this part. The app is your key to getting those valuable certifications for absolutely free. So there you go. The financial barrier, it's gone. The method is crystal clear. So now, the only question left is the most exciting one. With access to all this knowledge for free, what new skill, what new path will you choose to explore next?